day 16 or 17, and there's garbage outside here, so that means I'm cleaning. This is a lot of garbage to sort through, but there's bolts I found in this, Whitworth bolts and all kinds of bolts, BSF. And there's the frame on the stand now. We got some lights. We got the head. We've got the barrel. We've got the gap for the top ring there at 9 thou. And we're going to check the rest of them. Might file them a bit more, up to 10 maybe, and let that bed in. Then I have the head over there ready to go, and checked for gas. I filled the port, or the combustion area, with gasoline, and nothing leaked overnight, so that's good enough for me. And here's a clutch nut from something, and here's another nut, and here's another nut, and here's another bolt, and here's another washer, and we'll throw that in there. We got this corner cleaned though. This is the big corner. There was a lot of garbage over here, and it's sort of organizing it now. But we've got the rear wheel there. We've got some storage in the cabinet open now. We've got the radio hooked up. We got to get these bicycles out of here. If anybody wants to buy a 1951 Roadmaster, there's a 1951 Roadmaster. We're going to get the lathe cleared up so that we can use the lathe. So that means clearing out all this crap. And one of the reasons I got all this crap in here is because I moved from one apartment to another apartment next door for cheaper rent and bigger apartment. And I dumped a lot of things in here while I was moving, so there we go. So we'll get back on the 441 tomorrow, day 17 or so. And I've got the soldering tools and the shrink wrap and everything ready for the wiring harness. I've got the voltage regulator to go to negative ground, and I've got lots of LEDs and extra headlights and things I found. I ordered a genuine Lucas beehive the other day, and then I found 3 of them today while I was cleaning up. So that was sort of a drag. Spent a lot of money on that new lens, but since it's a new bike, we're gonna have a new lens, I guess. And we'll get the case a little bit more clean, and we're all set. So tomorrow I think I'll be doing more cleaning and getting more space around this bench here so that I can get around it to wire, and I've got to take the forks apart over there and get those forks off that aluminum fender. Might not use that aluminum fender. I found a really nice chrome fender today, original chrome fender. It's right there for the front. So I'm going to clean that up tonight, and we'll have that ready for the front end when we're ready to put that on the front end. And everything should look better then, and look like it's more hopeful. There's an old Victor ear for the headlight, and they're too tall for the later 69 model. I found, almost put that together, but it wasn't going to fit, so I would have found out sooner or later. So here's the extra front fender. It's in a really nice shape once it's polished. Doesn't have a lot of dents. Doesn't have any dents actually. There's one little dent there, but that's minor. So we'll put this one on. We'll have some chrome on the front of the wheel, on the front wheel, since we've refinished the front wheel. Anyways, you have a good day, and I'll catch you guys later.